So before the hurricane hit, we had this all set up to be plumbed for power and water. And when the hurricane hit, we got probably 2 feet of mud and stone and all kinds of debris in this area. And we're trying to shovel that away to get to it. But it was a huge, huge task. The mud was so compressed and compacted. In fact, it went underneath the shed, and we had about 10 inches underneath there. So we asked the guy that was digging our septic to, which you saw the video of that earlier, but he came over here, very nice, and dug a trench all the way up to where the water pump will be situated, and we'll need power, and we're going to run power and water at that particular position. That video will come soon. But anyway, he dug a lot of the dirt away where it would have taken us weeks probably to do by hand. It's not just it's not just compacted dirt, but it's stones, and these stones are not small, and they're in part granite, so it would have been very time consuming for us. So we were grateful that he did this. So that's what this video is about, that process. He is digging a trench so we can put our water line from the well heading down to the shed.
I'm thinking.
Down there looking for that blue PEX.
Right, all dirty and
Probably sticking out about 6 inches.
that's not dirty. It's thick. Oh, what is it? You think you over that far?